series 3, we talk about how to choose the right bottom wear for your capsule wardrobe. This week, I wanted to go a little bit deeper on this topic. So, in short, today's video will be part 2 of step 3 to build your capsule wardrobe pants. What if I told you that just 2 colors of pant, black and beige, which are also by the way my personal favorites, can help you to create multiple outfits for different occasions and events. We will also look how these two versatile colors can work for different situations, whether you are traveling, attending a business meeting, heading to the office, or planning for a lunch or dinner outings. And just a quick disclaimer, the styling tips that we are going to discuss are not the strict rules that you have to follow. Think of them as an inspiration. The goal is to help you visualize what styling idea can be fit in these two colors if you are planning for different events. So you can shop pieces accordingly. To make it simple, I have divided this video into 4 chapters where each chapter focuses on details how to style black and beige pant for different occasions. We begin, just a quick introduction. If you are new to my channel, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Style Equation. In this channel, we simplify fashion using logic, balance and real life practicality. Our focus is to create well-balanced look through thoughtful styling instead of blindly following trends. So let's start with chapter 1 called How to Style Black and Beige Pant for Business Meet or Office Meet. But I feel we all have experienced the same situation where you have very little time to get ready, but at the same time you need to look polished, confident and professional. If you want a simple solution that saves time and still help you to look stylish, this might work for you. For business meeting or office meeting, focus on straight fit pants or ankle fit pants in black and beige color. In beige, you can also choose slightly flared style for that little more elegant look. Pair them with a shirt pattern top or any collar design top. Personally, I prefer a V-neck style because it gives that clean, modern and sophisticated appearance. For professional settings, I usually choose lighter shades rather than darker ones because they are refined and elegant touch. For example, some easy color combination you can try are beige plus peach, beige plus white, beige plus light grey, black plus beige, etc. And if you are wearing denim or linen pants in black and beige pants, adding a belt can instantly elevate the entire outfit without much effort. Try this combination in your next meeting and create your own personal style. And of course, don't forget to share your experience in the comment section. Next is chapter 2. Get ready for office casuals with black and beige. I feel not every office day is packed with meetings, right? Sometimes it's just a regular work day and you want to look comfortable, professional and stylish without trying too hard. On those days, trust me, you can use these black and beige pants to create multiple looks. You can choose stylish pleated pants like wide leg pants, linen pants or even classy jeans in these two colors. Pair them with a knitted top or a fitted shirt and you are ready to go. Here is a small styling hack. If you want to add a little extra personality to your outfit, include a few simple accessories such as block heel, wristwatch and minimal jewelry. These small details can change a big difference. For office casual looks, I still prefer lighter shades. But if you want to enjoy stronger contrast, you can also experiment with combinations like beige with chocolate brown, beige with burgundy, black with green, black with chocolate brown, etc. With this outfit, you look simple, stylish and perfect for everyday office wear. Next is chapter 3, Styling Tips for a Dinner or Lunch Day with Black and Beige Pants. This is one of my favorite sections because it can save so much time when you are planning for a lunch outings, dinner date or a casual personal get-togethers where in the end we left with very less time to get ready. So here, we can use small styling hacks to look elegant and modern even with less time. For example, for a dinner look, black pants can be your perfect base. You can choose black flared denim pants and pair them with a red V-neck top or a stylish deep red top and a few gold accessories or jewelry pieces to elevate the overall look. And you are ready for the evening. You can also style in the other way around. Choose beige flared pant and pair them with a fitted knitted top or a crop top in the shades, for example red, burgundy, hot pink, etc. Complete the outfit with block heels in a neutral shades that can complement the beige pants. And just like that, you have a beautiful dinner ready outfit. If you like this look, just try it in your next outing and share your experience in the comment section. The same idea can work for lunch plans or casual outings too. The only change I make it choosing lighter color tops instead of darker one, and instead of heels I usually go for sneakers to create relaxed and comfortable look. Now next is chapter 4, another favorite section. Get ready for a travel day with black and beige bottom wear. As I mentioned, this is my favorite styling hacks with these two colors. Trust me, I never realized how much these two colors could simplify an entire vacation outfits. Recently, I traveled to Goa during the summer and I noticed that most of our outfit revolved around black and beige bottom only. In fact, I only carried two bottom wear pieces in these two colors and they pair effortlessly with almost everything I packed. One great option is beige linen shorts or bottom wear. Styled it with a white linen shirts for a relaxed beach day look. You can also create a monochrome outfit by pairing beige with beige and adding a few travel-friendly accessories for those perfect vacation photos. For black pants, simply pair them with a slightly dressier top for a dinner outing or a day tour. Add a comfortable pair of sneakers and a minimal accessories so that you are good to go. This approach helps you to travel lighter, avoid carrying too many extra bottoms, and spend less time deciding what to wear. Instead, you can focus on what really matters: relaxing, exploring, and enjoying your vacation with your family and friends. So, as we are wrapping up the video, let's see what is the biggest takeaway from today's topic. By building outfit around just black and beige pants, you can now create multiple looks for different occasions without filling your wardrobe with unnecessary pieces. This approach helps you save time while getting ready, save money by shopping now more intentionally, save mental energy by reducing daily outfit decisions, avoid last-minute confusion when you are in hurry for an event. So what I feel now, just by learning a few styling tips and ideas can solve so many problems and save our precious time. Sometimes creating more outfit options doesn't require more clothes, it simply requires choosing the right versatile pieces. So that's it for today. I hope this video gave you some useful styling idea and inspiration for your capsule wardrobe journey. In the next episode of Capsule Wardrobe series, we will move to the next step and continue building a wardrobe that is simple, stylish and practical. Until then, take care, keep styling smart, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, bye-bye.